What is up, YouTube? Today's video, we're going to break down the most common questions when it comes to Chime Credit Builder Card. Like, can you rent a vehicle with your Chime Credit Builder Card? Can you add cash to your Chime Credit Builder Card? And how many transactions does it take to get the shiny metal card from Chime? Don't forget to smash that subscription button. Tell you guys before I answer all these questions, I got a breakdown of every question on my channel. Full videos on the best tips, full videos on where you can rent it from. Can you rent a vehicle with your Chime Credit Builder Card? So I got a lot of tips on my channel. Make sure you guys check that out as well. And let's get right to this video. Alright guys, now this is like a part 2 because a lot of people also been asking me, well, what is the spending limit for your the Chime Credit Builder Card? What's the spending limit for your spending account for Chime? So I'm gonna get straight into this. You know, this is strict from Chime. They actually hit me up personally and they replied and they said you can spend $2,500 every 24 hours with your Chime Credit Builder Card. They see my videos, they responded, you know what I mean? They actually, looks like they support what I do, you know what I mean? So, salute to Chime because they've always, you know what I mean? To me, my personal experiences, I haven't really had any issues with Chime personally, especially recently, man. There's really been no issues for me. I got the Credit Builder Card. Personally, I don't have the metal card. So, with that being said, that's what I'm working on right now is the metal card. If you guys are new to Chime or want to sign up for Chime, I will pin my link in the description. So it's a quick link, sign up, it takes 30 seconds. If you actually link up your direct deposit, you'll be automatically qualified for the Credit Builder Card, and then go ahead and link that up, and then you're on your way to building that wealth, you know what I mean? So it's a win-win for everybody. You win, you build your wealth, you build your credit up, you know what I mean, just by spending your own money, you know, so win-win. You're really spending your own money and building your wealth up, you know what I mean? So it's a win-win, but yeah, salute to Chime, they responded. Like I'm gonna read it again. You can spend $2,500 every 24 hours with your Chime Credit Builder Card. They liked, you know what I mean, they liked the tweet, they liked my video, so, and they actually responded with the heart eye and heart, so. Hey, I must be doing something right? And I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate that because a lot of people, you ain't gotta watch me, right? You don't have to watch me at all, but you guys are watching me. So I appreciate that. If you guys are new to the channel, smash that thumbs up button. Smash that subscription, of course, as well. Like I said, man, the spending limit is $2,500 every 24 hours with Chime. Every 24 hours with Chime. A lot of other questions. Can you rent a car with Chime Credit Builder Card? I did a video on that. Can you add your cash to your Credit Builder Card? I did a video on that as well. So a lot of these questions people have been asking me, and don't get me wrong, like, you know what I mean, I'm only going off my experiences, you know what I mean? So a lot of people may ask me questions that I may not know because I have not experienced it. But I will talk about stuff I experienced, and that's a lot on this channel. I like to talk financial. At this point in time, we're going to be talking about financial. You know what I mean? It's all about financial freedom. It's all about finding ways, because you're going to need credit regardless. You know, you're going to need your credit. You're going to need, for, like I said before, a vehicle, a house. You're going to need your credit in life at some point in time. So it's good to start out early. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't start out at all, or they start out when it's never too late, but they start out later in life and they could have realized, hey, I could have been saving, I could have been building my credit, and that would save you a lot in life, you know. But I'm letting you guys know it really works. You know what I mean? I'm not that one that's going to preach something that's not going to work, or that's not, you know what I mean? I haven't experienced it. So I experienced it, and the spending limit is $2,500. You can rent vehicles with your Chime Credit Builder Card. It was been proven. I know some people have still said they have it. I don't know why, but I do know when you go rent a vehicle, let's just be real. When you go rent a vehicle, some places, they need a deposit. So if you don't have $200 or whatever that deposit is, it may get declined. And because you're not using a credit line or a credit from a bank, it may get declined. You're using your own money. So you guys put that in your brain as well when you're trying to rent a vehicle. Like, it's not the traditional credit card, it's a secured card. So you're spending your own money. You're not spending a bank's money who's going to tax you on top of that. You're paying 7% APR on top of that. And then you got fees and whatever. And then you're not even paying it off because you're paying payments. You know what I mean? So like, it's just a lose in that situation. But when you want to rent a car, just make sure you at least got 250, 300 in there, because, or just double check with the place, because some places they put holds. They put holds on your car. You know, that's a lot of people. It doesn't work yet because they put a $300 hold on a credit card and you only have 20 bucks in there. You know, and people, that's another thing. Like, people expect to rent cars with no money. Like, I don't fully get it. Like, some people, hey, I don't have any money. People want to rent out vehicles with no money, so you gotta have some money. You know what I mean? But if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said before, smash that thumbs up button. And these are a lot of questions I've been getting, and I'm trying to put it all in this video. But if you guys want to break down as far as me going in depth with a lot of these topics, drop the comments below and check out the link in the description, because I got video for every one of these topics, because I get asked this every single day, so I had to make a video. But like I said before, if you guys are new to Chime, that focus. So we got the debit card and then we got the credit card. This is not the shiny credit card. This is actually this is the regular credit card. So this is not the metal. This is not the metal shiny card. Let me get this focus. This is not the metal shiny card. I'm sorry if it don't focus, but I kind of really don't want the focus, because I don't, you know what I mean? I just don't really want the focus. Debit card and the credit card, and once I build up those 40 purchases, I'm gonna go ahead and get the credit BUiLDER shiny metal card. You know what I mean? I heard it's really metal. This is more like a plastic card. It's all personal. You know what I mean? I don't really care, but it's really it's cool, right? It's cool to get the shiny metal card. So that's what we're working up for. If you guys want to work up for that shiny metal card, it's 40 transactions. I spoke about that as well. 40 transactions with your credit card. You know what I mean? But the easiest way to go ahead and get the credit card is link up direct deposit to your spending account. And then right now you can go ahead and apply and you'll get approved. It's a limited time only. Chime is doing this. Limited time only, where you're actually going to get approved for the credit card. So it's a win-win, right? Right? It's a win-win. So make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Any questions regarding Chime, I'm here for you guys. Smash that thumbs up button. You know what I mean? Because a lot of these questions, I can look back and say, wow, that's a good question. Because you don't think about certain things in the process. You know, you just say, I want to get the card, but I don't know if it works here. I don't know if you can add money onto it. I don't know if you can do this or do that. So hopefully this video kind of shaped it all up in the fastest way possible. All the questions about Chime Credit BUiLDER card. But yeah, so if you've done that, smash that thumbs up button. Any other questions regarding Chime, smash that thumbs up button as well.